Hi, today in front of me Infinix Zero Ultra, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. If developer mode is activated, click to developer options, and just to hide them we should tap once on the switcher near use developer options. Then click to restart. Now we just should wait a couple of seconds. So now let's open once again the settings application, scroll to the system section, and we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.